my bitch, she a rider. I got a shooter and I got a driver. They want that heat, I'm the only provider. Little back foreign bitch, right there.
Did you guys miss me? I have been MIA from this channel for so long. Oh my god, don't mind this part. This is like gel or something in my hair. Hold on, let me scratch it out. But anyway, what the fuck? Okay, let's fix that. Anyway, welcome back. So I am, of course, as you guys can see, all made up. And I have quite a few little errands to run today. So I figured let me just take my mamas along with me and take y'all on the ride. So yeah, ooh, I'm like out of breath. But yeah, so I'm pretty much where I've been adjusting a lot to having the 3 kids, and just I've started working again. I don't work like super crazy, so that's good, but adjusting to working, adjusting to having the 3 kids, as well as I've been really trying to focus on like Instagram reels and YouTube shorts and TikTok. So my followers, of course, here on YouTube, you can always check out my shorts. I do have content on there, so definitely head over there and check it out. But anyway, let's just jump into this. Let me tell y'all what I got planned. So we're about to get ready to go to Ulta. I'm gonna go put the baby in his jacket. I'm gonna put like a hood on, not a hood, like a hat on his head. And I think I'm gonna just carry him in the chest carrier, just because I have to move around a lot and I don't feel like bringing out the Duna, the car seat stroller. I don't feel like doing that, so yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna just take you along the way. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing, what I'm gonna pick up, and let's head to Ulta first. After Ulta, we're gonna go to Walmart, and then after Walmart, we are gonna go probably get some food from Panera Bread and try to hurry up and get back home before the kids get home from school. So yeah, let me stop rambling. I'm gonna show you how the baby look, and let's get the heck up out this house. All right, and here he is. Here's the meanie baby. Yamin. Hello. Okay, so he's really not feeling it, but I'm gonna show y'all what he got on real quick. His bib is from the Gap. His little jean jacket is from the Gap. His outfit is a top and a bottom. It's from H&M. And then he has on his little cute Jordans. And yeah, I'm gonna pick him up because he's about to cry. So let's just get ready to head up out of here. Okay, so like I said, I'm trying to be consistent. So he is in the chest carrier. I'm gonna let y'all see his little face. He has such an attitude. Fix your face. He has such an attitude because who knows why he got attitude, honestly. He probably doesn't even want to be in here. But yeah, he's gonna go in the chest carrier because this is what it's giving. I have to kind of move around and he's gonna have to stay in here. So yes. I wanted to go in Bath and Body Works, but I doubt I'm gonna be able to do all of that because the boys too come home soon. So we'll just stick to Walmart, Ulta. I might run into Sally's real quick because for my birthday, I'm 1000% sure I'm gonna color my hair blonde. And I actually have some things to do tomorrow. So I may do another vlog, like maybe a part 2 tomorrow, but I will keep you guys posted. But let me get ready to walk out this door. May have to, what should I do? Shape tape and Team Deep Sand. Right, we just finished up in Ulta. Now we are headed to Walmart. This guy's looking at me crazy. Like, what is she doing? Had I known it was this windy, I would have put on like his hat. But yeah, we're heading to Walmart. And Ulta, the customer service, definitely, they could do better. But you know, I'm gonna mind my business. But when I get in the house, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. As well as I'm gonna post an Ulta haul on Instagram Reels. So Walmart, I really just Alright y'all, so I finally made it back home and I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got from Walmart. If you do follow me, definitely head to my Instagram Reels and I'm gonna do a haul basically on there on the stuff I got from Ulta. I'll probably do that on the Reels. But yeah, so let's just get right into this. Also, the baby is downstairs sleeping. He was like a little fussy and cranky. Also, it's windy outside, as y'all can see. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you the stuff I got from Walmart. Okay, so the first thing I got was this little take along carrier toy bar. This is to go across his stroller because he likes to look at stuff. So it's for 0 months and on. I got him this little thing of diapers just because his dad has the diapers, but he didn't bring it, and I just would rather have them, you know, rather be safe than sorry. We needed detergent, so I got the Downy Refresh Infusion. This is birch water and botanicals fabric softener. We needed bleach, so I just got the Clorox No Splash formula. He needed some pajamas, so I just got him 2 packs of these pajamas right here. I'm actually gonna go put them in a wash in a second. And I also got the baby some, hold on, I also got the baby these socks. I did get him newborn just because the other socks, they do tend to fall off his feet, and these are supposed to be wiggle proof, so we'll see. These were super cheap. I think they were like $1, to be honest. I got him some baby Dove oil. This stuff is so good. If you have not tried it, oh my god, it's so good. So I definitely saw that and I had to get it. I don't know if he has cradle cap or if it's flakes or the dry skin, but I got him this Frida Baby Derma Frida Skin Soother. So when I wash his hair again, I'm going to use this. I think you can use it without washing it hair. I don't know. I'm going to look into it, but it's for dry skin, cradle cap, and eczema. I got my favorite detergent. This is the Gain Mega Pack Apple Mango Tango. This is my jam. I got him some Enfamil Gentle Ease. This was my main purpose of going to Walmart. I just needed 2 bottles of these because his Amazon order of the formula, it doesn't come until Sunday. So I just got these just so he'll have it till then. Drip. I know Drip is very controversial, but I'm sorry, this is my shit right here, and it makes your clothes smell absolutely amazing. I like to use this in the baby clothes. I like to use this in my clothes. If you want your clothes to smell good, honey, I suggest you get these. That's why I got 2 of them, because they are very hard to find, and when they go out of stock, they are out of stock. From Walmart, I love these cream cheese frosted red velvet cookies, so I definitely got 2 of them because these will go very fast in my house. So yeah, 2 is definitely needed. And yeah, mamas, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know I've been MIA, but I'm definitely back. I cannot wait to do my hair. Like, this is blowing my mind. But yeah, I know I've been MIA, but I'm definitely back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know down below. Also, let me know any other videos you guys want to see me post and do. And until then, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Later.
You wonder if I hate you. I do.